This short case study describes how Score Diagnostics Limited were able to significantly improve a process plant shutdown by completing a valve condition monitoring survey in advance of the turnaround. Both time and cost savings were achieved as a result of the evidence generated during the survey. We will describe the details of the case study from three simple perspectives: the initial as-found situation, the actions we took, and the results we were able to deliver. The customer identified a list of 89 blowdown system valves which were scheduled for removal and calendar-based maintenance during a scheduled turnaround. Following discussions with the turnaround management team, it was agreed that a Score service engineer would attend the site to perform a valve condition monitoring survey using the MIDAS Meter leak detection and quantification tool in advance of any valves being removed from line. It was anticipated that the survey would gather evidence of the current sealing condition of each valve and thus inform the decision-making process for which valves needed to be repaired during the turnaround. A total of 81 valves were surveyed at 3 customer production sites at a cost of just over $20,000. Of the 81 valves surveyed, just 28 were found to be leaking. 53 had no detectable leakage. The leaking valves were targeted for condition-based maintenance to reduce through-valve leakage and product losses. Calendar-based maintenance was avoided on 66% of the valves which had been scheduled for removal and repair, resulting in significant downtime and repair cost savings being made on the modified turnaround scope. The reduction of product losses at 3 operating sites and the avoidance of calendar-based maintenance led to annualised savings for the customer of $430,000. This result was welcomed by the customer, who was able to calculate the return on investment in the survey as $21.50 returned for every $1 spent. Thank you for watching this short case study from Score Diagnostics Limited. To request further details of our products or services, please follow these on-screen instructions.